Guys, sad day for modology in the UK. Unfortunately, the van has died. I was taking it for a drive to work on one of my more boring routes, and as I was getting close to work, unfortunately the van started making a knocking noise, so I limped it to work, and I then got it taken to the garage. Subsequently, I've just had a phone call a moment ago, and the engine is toast. By the sounds of it, the timing chain guide died. The timing chain then went loose, and the basically all the top end of the engine is toast. The pistons are toast, and everything's basically died. So I'm now looking for a new engine for my transporter. So if anyone knows of a 5-cylinder VW engine going for a T5 2006 transporter manual, hit me up, and I'll be very interested to see what your options are. But here's the video of it dying. Have a laugh at my expense. I think it's fucked.